Are you dreaming of studying abroad with free tuition and a guaranteed stipend? What if I told you there's a world-class university in the United States offering graduate-level financial support that can cover your tuition while also paying you a monthly stipend? Stay with me, because today I'm breaking down how you can take advantage of the Ohio University graduate funding and assistantship opportunities. This is the Ohio University Graduate Funding Program, and the core benefits include tuition scholarships, stipends for teaching or research work, and even fellowship opportunities with no work requirements. If that sounds exciting, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to cover Section 1, the benefits of the scholarship. Section 2, the eligibility criteria. Section 3, other requirements. Section 4, how to apply. Section 5, application period and deadlines. And Section 6, 3 powerful tips to increase your chances of being selected. You'll get massive value from this breakdown, so make sure you like the video and subscribe for more opportunities like this. Section 1, benefits of the scholarship. Ohio University provides graduate assistantship funding through several types of appointments such as teaching assistantships, research assistantships, graduate assistantships, and fellowships. These positions provide a financial stipend in exchange for teaching, research, or administrative duties. In addition to that, students receive a tuition scholarship that covers all or part of their instructional fees and non-resident surcharge for up to 18 graduate credit hours each semester. Some awards, like the Graduate Recruitment Scholarship, include both a stipend and a partial tuition scholarship. There are also fellowships that may include tuition support without any work requirement. Overall, this funding can significantly reduce the financial burden of graduate study. Alright, so let's move on to Section 2, eligibility criteria. To qualify for any graduate appointment at Ohio University, you must first be admitted into a degree-seeking graduate program. Just so you know, the funding decisions are actually made by each academic department. For non-native English speakers, meeting the university's English proficiency requirements is essential. And for teaching assistantships specifically, there's a required level of oral English proficiency. You must also maintain a minimum cumulative GPA of 3.0 in your graduate coursework to keep your funding and stay in good academic standing. Now let's talk about Section 3, other requirements. There are a few additional conditions you must meet. You need to register for graduate credit hours each semester, typically 12 credit hours for a full appointment in the fall or spring, and 9 credit hours in the summer. Only graduate level courses numbered 5,000 and above count toward this requirement. Undergraduate courses, audited courses, and certain non-credit courses do not count. If your appointment includes a work component, you'll be required to work between 15 and 20 hours per week for a full appointment. New students must complete onboarding paperwork, like the 1 to 9 and other employment forms before beginning work. And just so you're aware, fees such as health insurance, general fees, and certain surcharges are not covered by the tuition scholarship. Before we continue, comment below and tell me what country and city you're watching from. I always enjoy seeing how far these videos travel around the world. And if you genuinely want to enhance your chances of winning scholarships like this, check out the Scholarship Success Pro course. It teaches you how to optimize your documents and prepare a competitive application. The link is in both the video description and the pinned comment. Section 4, how to apply. Here is the step-by-step process. First, you must apply for admission to a graduate program at Ohio University. During the application, indicate clearly that you want to be considered for a graduate appointment, such as a TA, RA, or GA position. This part is very important, because not selecting it may exclude you from funding consideration. After submitting your application, your materials go to your academic department, where faculty review applicants and decide who receives funding. If selected, you will receive an award letter outlining your stipend, tuition scholarship, required work hours if applicable, and enrollment requirements. Next, complete all required employment paperwork before beginning your assistantship. Finally, register for the minimum number of graduate credit hours to activate your funding and tuition scholarship. Section 5, application deadline and application period. Ohio University uses the Council of Graduate Schools guidelines, which means you are not required to respond to a funding offer before April 15th. However, each department sets its own deadlines for admission and funding decisions. That means you should check your specific graduate program's website for exact timelines. Section 6. Important tips to win the funding. First, express your interest in funding clearly and early in your application. Many students miss this box and lose their chance immediately. Second, apply to a program that aligns strongly with your academic background or research experience. Departments choose applicants who match their teaching or research needs. Third, if you are an international student, make sure your English proficiency scores, especially your speaking or oral communication score, are strong enough for teaching roles. This significantly improves your competitiveness. Ohio University's graduate funding opportunities can change your life by helping you study in the United States with reduced financial pressure. Visit the official link in the description, prepare your documents properly, and apply confidently. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit. I can't wait to see you. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.